Binance Locked Staking allows you to earn passive income by locking your cryptocurrencies for a fixed period. Your locked assets support blockchain validation, and in return, you receive staking rewards. This is a form of proof of stake, POS, yield farming. Log into your Binance account, navigate to Earn Staking, and select Locked Staking. Choose the asset you want to stake, like BNB, ETH, or ADA. Select a duration, e.g., 30, 60, 90, or 365 days, and the amount. Confirm to lock your funds and start earning rewards, which are typically distributed daily or weekly. Remember, early withdrawal usually incurs penalties. APYs vary based on the asset and lock duration. Longer periods typically offer higher yields. Be aware of market volatility and platform risks. While Binance is insured via its SAFU fund, covering a portion of TVL, it doesn't eliminate all risks. Understand the difference between locked staking, which offers higher yields but less liquidity, and flexible staking, which provides lower yields but more liquidity. As of 2025, institutional staking is on the rise, and there's a growing focus on eco-friendly POS models. Experts predict potential stabilization of staking yields around 8 to 12% with AI-driven tools, but regulatory changes could impact the market.